Yeah, we looked at several different, I'm looking at you guys, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we looked at several different contractors, and I think the thing that stuck out the most was every time Baldovin said they were going to do something, they did it. They showed up on time, they gave us quotes when they said they were going to. I talked to a friend who used another well-known contractor in the area, and they gave them budgets, but they had to pick out their materials. And where we gave Angela some designs, and she looked through my Pinterest boards, and she pulled all the material, and she was like, what do you think about this? What do you think about that? And it took off so much stress from us, because there's all of these issues of trying to make decisions, and it's just decision overload. Our kitchen is just not big enough for like a full walk-in pantry, and so we talked to them about what we wanted. There was a little bit of concern from one of the designers. She's like, it may just not be as big as you're expecting. But I showed them exactly what I wanted on Pinterest, and they did it. It's so funny. I walk into the pantry, I'm like, this is exactly what we said we wanted. And so like that, and our staircase, our bathrooms, everything, like we walk in, I'm like, oh, it's just so beautiful. It's so cool. Like our daughter comes home, she's like, Mom, it's like a magazine house. And I was like, it is, isn't it? And everything that we wanted, it turned out, and it's like, it's so nice to see the finished product be what we had envisioned. So yeah, and you guys get tons of compliments. Everyone's like, oh my gosh, we love your house, we love your house. So Great. We love it.